What's up, everyone? Welcome back to T's Time with TJ. Thank you for tuning in. On today's video, we're doing an oil pan gasket on a '01 Toyota Camry. Just getting up to par, getting everything situated, sorted, maintenance-wise. But I haven't done a video on oil pan on a Camry. I've done a transmission filter pan. We've done that. So today is actually, I'm going to make it kind of short. I'm going to skip the actual unbolting of the pan, but we're gonna get into the annoyances to get to the pan to get it off. So I try to take as least amount of material or things off to get it out. So these are the things that you have to remove to get the oil pan off. So I'm going to show you how it goes back in, because this is like the hardest part of the ordeal of changing an oil pan gasket, is getting all these brackets out. This is like a mount for was it exhaust for both of these, all of these actually, and this is like to cover the flex plate behind the transmission, and then also there's like an actual oil kind of sponge to kind of catch any moisture or oil drips. But like that was the hardest part of the job. The pan is in. I have to torque it right now, and then torque specs, start from the center, work your way out. I believe it's about like 4 foot-pounds. Double check your vehicle's manufacturer's recommendation. I'm gonna double check and get that stuff done. But like once you got everything out the way, this was like the hard part. There's enough space once you get to this point to drop it down, so you don't need to actually disconnect your exhaust, but there is an exhaust hanger that lives there, which is that right there, lives there, and then that has to come off to get this pan off. Like that definitely was in the way. That was like the main thing that was holding it up. But like you're gonna try to get everything back into place. I figured I show you that because I believe that's like the hardest part of this job, is doing that. So yeah, so this should be helpful. But the oil pan is straightforward. Unbolt it, clean it up, you know, of course, get all the old gasket maker off, re-seal it, make sure you get everything cleaned and prepped for the sealant. Read the instructions for your sealant. Some have you clamp it down for a little bit, then wait, and then clamp it again. But we don't. I'm using Yama Bond. That's just what I use. But just it's pretty straightforward for the pan, the bolting, and getting it off once you get this stuff out of the way. So you need to get all this stuff off out of the way. And as you can see, I did one bolt on the exhaust because this side was actually rusted. Like I probably would have snapped that bolt. So I did this side, and thank you for the oil leak. It actually came off without snapping. So thanks to the oil leak. Some oil leaks, I guess, are good. But enough yapping. Let's get to reassembling the annoyances of changing the oil pan gasket. Yeah. pan, bada boom, bada bang. That's the hard part of the whole install, or even actually the removal, just knowing what you actually need to remove. So reverse that to get the pan off. So start here, unbolt that bolt, loosen this, bent this out, take off the bracket that holds the exhaust bracket. There's 2 bolts that hold it on right here. I believe those are 2 12 millimeters. These are 12 millimeters also. Get this off, bent that out, get that out the way. Remove this bracket right here, the exhaust hanger bracket. The 3 bigger bolts, I believe those are 3 14 millimeters. One there, and then one up top right there. Remove that, and then there's 2 10 millimeters that holds the transmission inspection plate, covers the flex plate up. There's one there, and then there's also one that's covered up right now by this plate. Once you have that out, all that stuff out the way, and you'll be able to remove your oil pan. So it's just kind of figuring out that, like, once you know what you need to actually remove, it goes pretty quick. And then after that, it's just clean the pan out, of course, reseal it, throw it back up. But yeah, so nothing to it but to do it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, TJ.